Difference between evaluation metrics and evaluation function in lightgbm. Refer to lightgbm.cv. There are two parameters confusing me, metrics and favol. Based on my little knowledge on GBDT, evaluation metrics and evaluation function are both to compute the loss, such as awk, from a vector of predictions and a vector of true labels. However, metrics and functions sound like they are handling different tasks. Are they doing the same thing? To be more specific, if I execute lightgbm.cv params, metrics equals awk, favol equals ks, well favol equals ks override metrics equals awk.
To start with, the general notions of metrics and function are not at all different. From a mathematical viewpoint, a metric is a function, Wikipedia entry. And although here the notion of metric is more broad, the argument still holds. More specifically on your question, from the documentation page you have linked. Metrics, string, list of strings or none, optional, default equals none, dash evaluation metrics to be monitored while CV. If not none, the metric in params will be overridden. Favol, callable or none, optional, default equals none, dash custom evaluation function. Notice 1, the plural metrics, which can be a list of strings 2, the term custom in favol. To make a long story short, you can indeed use more than one available metrics in the metrics argument. Your example should be favol should only be used if, additionally to whatever metrics you may use from the readily available ones, you also want a custom metric you have defined yourself. See an example here, where metric equals awk and favol equals my underscore or underscore rate are used simultaneously and after my underscore or underscore rate has been defined.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribe link.